In Beginner's English lesson number 17, you have 70 plus sentences. The topic is at a railway station. Listen to all the sentences and repeat them. Find out if any sentence or word is difficult. Then ask me about it in the comments. After watching the video, speak about a railway station in your own words in English. This will help you to become fluent in speaking. Let us begin. Today, my cousin Joy is going to Mumbai by train. Joy will be traveling by train for the first time in his life. Joy lives in the US and is visiting India. He wants new experiences in India. I will be going to the railway station with Joy. I want to see him off at the railway station. We reach the railway station in a cab. Joy is surprised to see the huge crowds at the entry. I tell him that many people travel by train in India. If you want to travel in comfort, then you have to do advance reservation. I have reserved a ticket in Vande Bharat for him. I booked the train ticket online on the internet. To enter the platform with Joy, I need a platform ticket. There is a long queue at the platform ticket counter. But there are also vending machines where we can buy a ticket. I go to a ticket vending machine and buy a platform ticket. Now we have to find out to which platform we have to go. There are two big information display boards at the entry of the platform. The boards give details like train number and arrival or departure time. The platform number for each train is also given on the boards. One board lists the trains arriving at the station. The second board shows the details of departure of trains. We saw that Vande Bharat departs from platform 1. As we were looking at the board, 2 or 3 coolies came and offered to carry the luggage. Joy said that coolies were called porters in the US. Not many porters were available there, he said. He was impressed to see so many coolies wearing red uniform trying to help everyone. Joy had only one trolley, so he did not need a coolie. A trolley is a suitcase with wheels. As we had reached early, the train was not on the platform yet. We decided to have a cup of tea while waiting for the train. There was a tea stall on the platform nearby. We saw that they had masala tea, ginger tea, and milk tea. Joy ordered a masala tea and I asked for ginger tea. The tea stall was also selling biscuits and packed snacks. I told Joy that he would be given breakfast in Vande Bharat. But he said he was feeling quite hungry now and wanted a samosa. So we went to the shop selling samosa and had one each. There was a bookstall next to it. Joy thought he would buy a couple of magazines to read on the train. He also saw some small booklets on natural remedies, which he found very interesting. He told me that he would buy some of those. I told Joy that passengers in Vande Bharat were given newspapers in different languages. Joy was surprised that so many items were given in Vande Bharat. While we were eating samosa, we saw a large group of colorfully dressed people. A marriage party had just got off some train. They were passing platform 1 on their way to the exit. Their glittering dresses and jewelry looked beautiful. Joy said that so much color and variety can only be found in India. He was going to Mumbai to attend his friend's wedding. He was looking forward to all the fun, he told me. A group of pilgrims passed us, singing bhajans. They must also be taking a train to some holy shrine. We enjoyed their melodious singing till they went out of earshot. The public address system started making an announcement. Joy said, "Oh, that's my train they are announcing. It will arrive at the platform soon." Vande Bharat Express entered the platform. The coach indication board on the platform helped us to stand at the right place. Joy's coach was E1. It stopped exactly where we were waiting. The automatic doors of the coach opened. There were some elderly people waiting to get in. Joy stood patiently till all of them had got in. Then he said goodbye to me and went into the train. I did not get into the coach with him. The train would not stop for long here. Joy went in search of his seat. The seats are easy to find with the seat numbers written clearly. There is space above the seats to store your baggage. I had booked a window seat for him to enjoy the scenery outside. He waved out to me, though I could not see him clearly. The coach windows had tinted glass that reflected my face. I also waved in the direction where I thought he was sitting. Slowly and silently, the Vande Bharat Express moved out of the station. It was a modern train, shining in appearance. Joy's exciting train journey had begun. With that, we come to the end of the sentences. Please listen carefully and try to describe your own experience of a train journey if you have traveled by train. Thank you and all the best.